Hey everybody, welcome back to Resto TV. I'm Ace. Check out what's behind me today. 1983 Toyota FJ43 Land Cruiser. So let's check out some of the cool parts on this awesome FJ43. You've got a retro Warren winch right here. So what you're gonna see, this is like a throwback to what Warren started with, is these new series right here. It's got a full synthetic rope. This thing's gonna pull out anything that is in your path that you don't want it to be. When you raise the hood on this FJ43, what you're gonna find up underneath there is a fully rebuilt 2F 6-cylinder that is all stock, except for it's had an upgraded cam. All the internals have been freshened up. This motor was completely torn down just under 1,000 miles ago. It's also got Holley Sniper fuel injection, vintage air, so it's going to keep you cool while you're cruising. You've also got aluminum radiator, you've got an electric fan, keep that engine cool while you're cruising. It's also got a HEI distributor. So this thing is all show, go, it's ready for daily driving experiences. All right, if you're looking for one of the coolest and cleanest interiors around in a Land Cruiser, check out this one. You got fully recovered seats. They've also got seat heaters in them, which where else are you gonna find that? You got Dakota Digital gauges, you've got an updated entertainment system. This thing is awesome. So not to mention you got vintage air to keep you nice and cool. Then it's also got the vintage air heat, and there is vents in this hardtop right here that you can open up and have the air blowing down on your head and neck, keep you nice and cool, no matter what. This thing's gonna keep you comfortable. All right, let's check out the passenger seating area of this FJ43. So you got dual safari seats right here. So you can fit probably about 4 large adults back here. Might be a little tight. Or if you got some kids, you want to haul them around and have the coolest ride dropping off at the school pickup line, that's this thing right here. They've all been fully refurbished. You can also see now the seat backs that are all metal on your front seats have all been stripped and repainted. You got your new vinyl flooring in this. All your floor is painted all up underneath here. This thing is just amazing. All right, let's talk about the exterior of this beautiful FJ. It's got a 2-inch old Man Emu lift kit. It's got Yokohama Geolander MT tires. We've also got fully refurbished steel wheels and hubcaps. So the exterior look of this thing is just amazing. If you want more information on this FJ or any of our other rides, make sure to visit restowarehouse.com. Give me a call, 865-409-5407. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Again, my name's Ace. Keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.